is slowly fading to the west, painting golden colors where the waters rest. The Grote Hegge breathes in peaceful air, a quiet kind of beauty waiting there. My drone rises gently with the breeze, floating high above the swaying trees. The water lies like glass beneath the sky, where every golden moment passes by. Far away a lonely tower stands, the Clauscentrale watching over distant lands. The evening paints a masterpiece so bright, holding on to every ray of light. Here at Grote Hegge, where the daylight softly fades, golden skies reflecting on the gentle waves. Only water, wind and silence fill the air. Every heartbeat feels a little lighter there. Here at Grote Hegge, where the evening comes alive, where every sunset helps the soul survive. The silence leads us farther down the stream, toward another chapter of this dream. Fishermen are drifting in a little boat so free, like time itself has found eternity. Above it all, my camera learns to fly, capturing a dream beneath the summer sky. A small boat glides across the glowing lake, leaving only gentle ripples in its wake. Patient hands are casting lines once more, as evening settles softly on the shore. Amber melts into the shades of blue, every frame reveals another view. Maas whispers without a sound, sharing stories only nature has found. Every mile reveals another scene, fields and forests wrapped in golden dreams. The journey slowly carries us along, following the Maas in its endless song. Here at Grote Hegge, where the daylight softly fades, golden skies reflecting on the gentle waves. Only water, wind and silence fill the air. Every heartbeat feels a little lighter there. Here at Grote Hegge, where the evening comes alive, where every sunset helps the soul survive. The silence leads us farther down the stream, toward another chapter of this dream. The journey carries onward with the tide, following revered Maas as it gently winds. The peaceful shores begin to slowly change, where quiet beauty meets the hands of trade. Ahead to Sluis Maasbracht comes in view, guiding every vessel safely through. A gateway where the water lifts and falls, keeping every journey moving on. Here at Grote Hegge, where the daylight softly fades, golden skies reflecting on the gentle waves. Every passing ship, each wave, each light writes another story in the fading night. At Sluis Maasbracht, where the water keeps its pace, every captain finds another place. Water rises, water falls once more, opening tomorrow through another door. From Grote Hegge to Sluis Maasbracht, Maas keeps calling through the night, where water, sky and golden moments meet. golden flame, soft reflections call my name. Over the Grote Hegge, calm and wide, where endless dreams and waters glide. Not a whisper stirs the air, only peaceful moments waiting there. The world slows down beneath the sky as painted clouds are drifting by. Golden light on the Grote Hegge, nature writes its silent song. Where the waters meet the Maas, I've known this place all along. With every flight my spirit's free, above the land that welcomes me. In the quiet of the morning glow, there's nowhere else I'd rather go. Little fishing boat drifts so slow, waiting where the calm winds blow. Patient souls beneath the sky, watching the silent moments passing by. The Maas has shaped these lands for years, leaving beauty through the changing spheres. Old gravel lakes now softly gleam, living inside a timeless dream. Clauscentrale stands, a quiet giant across the land. Its tower rises through the light, watching over morning bright. Beyond the shimmering water's grace, Sluis Maasbracht keeps its steady pace, where ships and rivers find their way from dawn until the close of day. Golden light on the Grote Hegge, nature writes its silent song. Where the waters meet the Maas, I've known this place all along. With every flight my spirit's free, above the land that welcomes me. Every sunrise tells me so, this is where my heart will go. Skies begin to rise, mirrored in the morning light. Die Grote Hegge, calm and true, forever shining into view. The Maas keeps flowing strong and free, carrying echoes back to me. Golden light on the Grote Hegge, nature writes its silent song. Where the waters meet the Maas, I've known this place all along.